Welcome back. Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Inadequate. It's how farmers are describing the response from the Agriculture Ministry in light of the current animal feed shortage. Farmers say their animals are starving to death, and so they want answers now.
The St. Mary farmers we spoke with say the shortage of animal feed, especially for chickens, has been going on for months, but worsened in the past 2 weeks. In a recent statement, the Agriculture Ministry said it was monitoring the situation, but was satisfied that the supply of feed was not significantly affected and normal supply levels should be available this past weekend. But in the middle of the long holiday, the farmers say things are no better.
I don't know what the government is doing about it, right? You know, we speak to a lot of the farm store owners, and they too are shocked according to the situation that is taking place.
Like several other farmers, Oliver Hall explains that he has been struggling to keep his birds alive.
It's really have us down, you know, because we have to be looking in other stuff to feed, and that other stuff is rare to find, you know, because it's not like when breadfruit is in season, other crops is in season. And we weren't looking forward for this.
We have a kilo 1 cuba wild chicken before the murder. The other day and put them in the fridge. And we have about...
And because of the shortage?
Because of the shortage of feeding shortage. And we have about 150 now. Where we have liquor feed. We can't give them as much feed as we like to give them because we don't know when we're going to get feeding.
By right, we should not collect at least say 20 flat or 22 flat a day. I'm only collecting even, sometimes we get 16, sometimes we get 17, sometimes we get even 18. Depends on how they feed, to how we deal with the feed. Okay. So if I get the feed good, I not go get it. Okay. Instead of them all go up, them all drop down, and I can't afford that.
Other farmers in Highgate St. Mary say they have lost more than 100 young chickens because of the shortage. They are calling for an urgent response from the Agriculture Ministry. Herman Green, TVJ News.